Okay, so we're out here in the woods, and yeah, my phone doesn't have signal, so I'm just gonna find my way out. Okay, let's go. Oh, okay, my tripod's on the way. I'm gonna keep on doing this because I'm on. Gotta turn on. I'm just gonna turn this off because it's a bit annoying. So let's go. Okay. So I'm out here in Mount Dandenong. I'm gonna do a UE, and my tripod just fell. Okay. So yeah, just to give you context of where I'm at, I'm somewhere in the Dandenongs. It's not really hardcore mountain or like a forest, but we have some animals here, and they can be bad. But yeah, I just finished my photography thing. I just finished taking photos here, so I'm heading home now. It's a bit bumpy. Let's go. It's really bumpy. Just close to my place. I can remember which way sometimes, but sometimes I forget. So I'm just gonna use the one I can remember, and I'm not gonna use any maps or anything. I'm just gonna use my head. I'm gonna use my head. Anyway, I've been here for quite a lot of time, and yeah, it shouldn't be that hard. If I get lost, I know where to go. Oh yeah, you can see the signs there. So I'm near this the civilization or something. The civilization. That's awkward English, man. You can see some houses in here, and yeah, it would be nice to have a place here, but it's just too scary when it's windy and there's a storm, because there are lots of old trees here which may fall in your house, which is scary. Lots of trees fell. Okay. So how are you guys going? It's been a while I've been doing this drive vlog because I haven't been driving that much, but I just needed to be out today. That's why I'm out here. Road's really not that good. I can feel the wheels slipping. Ooh, I think my my shifter went neutral. That's funny. Anyway, let's go. It's pretty dark. It's pretty dark. It's pretty dark. It's starting to rain also. So I'm getting droplets in the car. But it's not that bad. Wake up here when it rains, just do some photos again. But we'll see. I may need an intervalometer for my cameras. I'm gonna need to learn how to do night shots with the Sony. I've tried it before, but it's hard to put focus on infinity when it's dark and all those. Oh, there's a car. I can't see clearly. There you go. I'm just gonna. Okay, it just went straight ahead. Straight ahead. Okay. So we're back on paved road, which means we're back home. Not really back home, but back on the street. So I just got out today. I'm so happy we're up to 15 kilometers. But yeah, we're still in lockdown, so it's not yet over. Have around 80% single dose vaccination. That should be fine. But our double dose is around 46%, which is still so far. I don't know how many people are going to go vaccinated again for the second time, but it's best that we have everyone in. Like, we need that 30%, make it 35% to come out and get fully vaxxed. Okay. So we're in the basin. Well, it's called the basin. Maybe it's because catches water? I don't know. This car slowing down. So I have an option to go that part of the road, but I think I'm more familiar with this. Oh shit, I just did a U-ey. That was a big boo-boo. I'm just gonna back it up and try to. And this tripod's annoying me. Okay, let's go. I'm supposed to go there. Did a boo-boo. Got confused. So yeah, we're supposed to go here. Mountain Highway. You got me, guys. Anyway, we're gonna go this way. So this is more familiar with me because there's a petrol station somewhere there, which I'm familiar with, and I'm gonna do a left from there, and we're on our way home. Shouldn't be a problem. If only there were good food around the area, I could get some nice tasty pizza or something, but there's none. Gembrook's the best place to go. Okay, there is the petrol station. I do my car washing here. Car wash is very good in here, and it's one of the close ones in our area. So, yeah. My camera might be shaky. I'm very sorry, guys, but I don't have time to mount it to something special, something better. I don't know. Maybe you could use their RX 100 one of these days to film the drive vlogs. That will be cool. Yeah, I can rig it somewhere. But for now, yeah, it's this. So it's like doing a squarish U. So we're gonna go Albert Avenue to this part here. Check if there's a car. It's clear. Might need some oil for this car because the oil's getting low. So now that we're out, we need to finish what we need to finish. We don't have much time. We need to work on it. I'm going to try to work on the others. I'll try to finish everything this weekend. And I'm going to try to do 2 things. I'm thinking aloud, guys. I'm so sorry. I'm so stressed out. And again, coming from the woods, I'm back to stress. Yeah. Chandler's Road. Should be turning out here. Oh, fuck. Forgot to move to the other side. Didn't notice the road. But if you could go straight there, that's boronia. I could still lead me to the right way. We're supposed to be renting this place here, but we didn't make it. Prefer the other one. This one here is good. It has a nice place, but it's still secluded. Look at that. Bunch of. It's near the school also. But yeah, that was supposed to be one of the places we were gonna stay. It's across the park. I'd say the other one looked better. This is just new. Other than that, it's still on the back end and it's still secluded. There's no extra parking. We have extra parking now. I'm just talking to myself. I don't know, guys. Yeah, just remembering things that I've been. So this is Coles. I don't know if we need something to eat here. I'll just cook something. What am I gonna cook later, guys? Okay, I'm gonna go into the fridge and check whatever I need to cook. Laura's gonna have her break around 8 p.m. So I'm gonna need to prepare everything for 8 p.m. and cook. Let's go. Oh, stoplight. Shit. So yeah, I guess we'll end the car vlog here. It's not a motor vlog, it's not a motorcycle, but this thing has a motor. So might end the vlog here. I might supplement this to my vlog. I don't know, but it's going to my Drive Diaries channel. Yeah. Okay.